Is your Android phone's auto-rotate turned on, but it still doesn't work on the lock screen? Don't worry, you're not the only one. This is actually a common issue, especially on some Android phones like Samsung. The reason is simple. Enabling auto-rotate doesn't always mean it works everywhere. Some phones let you choose where auto-rotate is active, including the home screen, lock screen, and even the voice call screen. Here's how to fix it. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the status bar. Then tap and hold the auto-rotate shortcut. You'll see several options appear, such as home screen, lock screen, and voice call screen. Now simply turn on the lock screen option. That's it. Your lock screen should now rotate normally. But what if your Android phone doesn't have this option? No problem, there's another way. First, install an app called Rotation Control from the Google Play Store. After opening the app, look for the option called Applies to Lock Screen and enable it. Before you can turn it on, the app will ask for accessibility permission. Just allow it so the app can control your screen rotation. Once it's enabled, your lock screen rotation should work perfectly. So if auto-rotate is not working on your Android lock screen, don't replace your phone or think it's broken. Just change this setting or use the simple method I showed you. Try it now and your phone might start rotating like it was supposed to all along.